Get the superior cleaning power of Spic & Span Disinfecting All-Purpose Spray and Glass Cleaner, now with portable dilution control. Our new Dilute to Go system gives you easy, powerful, portable dilution of concentrated chemicals, anytime, anywhere. Spic & Span Disinfecting All-Purpose Spray and Glass Cleaner cleans and disinfects a variety of surfaces in one easy step. It delivers an all-purpose cleaner that provides tough grease-cutting power, a glass cleaner that leaves a brilliant shine, and requires no pre-cleaning step for general disinfection. And now, our new Dilute to Go system eliminates the need to free-pour, so it's safe to dilute and you get an accurate dilution ratio. With no wall-mounted equipment and no maintenance required, Dilute to Go is easy to set up. Simply connect a hose from any water supply, then easily dispense the diluted solution into refillable spray bottles, and you're ready to go. And because it has a 33% faster fill rate versus the leading competitor, you save time for your task at hand. Just one Spic & Span Dilute to Go system can fill up to 70 spray bottles, eliminating the need for excess waste. Superior cleaning power, plus portable dilution control, now available in a wide range of our professional solutions from brands you know and trust. P&G Professional, every experience counts.